In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. By the end, you'll be able to send a clean, professional email with the right file attached, all from your CRM. Start on your HubSpot home screen. From here, we'll head into the CRM so we can email directly from a contact record. Open the main navigation, go to CRM and choose Contacts. This takes you to your list of people and companies you're working with. Find and select the contact you want to email. Opening the record ensures your message and any files you attach are logged on the timeline, so your team has full context later. Inside the contact, look for the communication options and choose Email. This opens the email composer right on the record. First, add a clear subject line. Make it specific and helpful, ideally referencing the file you're about to attach. Something like Proposal for Q2 or Onboarding Checklist attached. Clear subjects improve open rates and make the thread easier to find later. Now type your email body. Keep it concise, set the context for why you're sending the file, and tell the recipient exactly what to look for in the attachment. A quick line such as "I've attached the latest draft for your review" can prevent confusion and reduce back and forth. When you're ready to attach the file, click the Paperclip icon in the email toolbar. You'll see options for adding files. In this example, choose Upload to add a file from your computer. Select your document, image, or PDF, then give it a moment to upload. You'll know it's attached when you see the file listed under the composer. If your organization uses a file manager or shared documents, you may also see options to pick an existing file. Choose whatever works best for your workflow. For smoother deliveries, keep file names descriptive and avoid special characters. Also, large files can be blocked by some mail servers, so if you're sending something hefty, consider compressing it or using a link-based document when available. Do a quick final check. Confirm the right contact is selected, the subject is accurate, your message is clear, and the attachment is visible. When everything looks good, click Send. HubSpot logs the email and the attachment on the contact's timeline, so you and your team can reference it later without hunting through inboxes. That's it. Fast, reliable, and neatly organized right inside your CRM. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.